Monsoon was active 2 days before. Yesterday it was vigorous, and today also it is a vigorous condition. So good rainfall has occurred during last 3 days, and yesterday heavy to very heavy rainfall was received. Today also heavy to very heavy rainfall received. Perne has reported the highest rainfall, which was very heavy, of 112 millimeters. And North Goa mostly received the heavy rainfall. There is one system, upper air cyclonic circulation over Northwest Bay and adjoining Gangetic West Bengal and Odisha coast. That system will start moving northwestward, and secondly offshore trough is there from Konkan to Kerala. This combination of these two systems was giving good rainfall over the Goa region. So we are expecting next 24 hours the same condition will be there. Heavy to very heavy rainfall will occur at few places. From tomorrow the system will be weakened and the rainfall activity will reduce. So from tomorrow only isolated heavy rainfall will be there, and day after tomorrow the heavy rainfall possibility will be not there. Next 24 hours same warning is continue. Tomorrow it has been already given. Tomorrow the only heavy rainfall will be there. Means next 48 hours warning is there. 24 hours heavy to very heavy few places. Next 24 hours heavy rainfall at isolated places. After that warning will be removed.